What's up guys, welcome back to ProHibited TV, home of the freshest entertainment news. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed, and if you're already subscribed, I appreciate it. Stay blessed.
And as you can see here, these are all the ingredients you need to make your milky ice cream or your fat milk ice cream. You need only 4 stuff. You don't need sugar. All you need is your condensed milk, because condensed milk has a lot of sugar in it. This is my milk. It's milk. You can use any milk that of your choice or any milk that you want. And this is a trick. Condensed milk. Just take as much as you want. This is how we want it. Okay, and here is my cream. This is also a trick. There is a difference between a milk and a cream. You should, anytime you're buying it, just read the label. You can get your milk and then this is the cream. Now, you can never make your ice cream without vanilla essence. And then they have a lot of vanilla essence, but make sure you always get a darker one. It has the trick, the flavor, the smell, the aroma. Oh my god. So now what we're going to do is, it's pretty simple. Stay tuned. Spoon or anything to mix it thoroughly. Just make sure that everything is really mixed well. So don't be scared of it. So now what I'm going to do is, this is my milk. It goes in. You have to be careful. Okay, so now the next thing that goes in is my condensed milk. Like I said, you can take it as much as you want it. This is quite a lot, so I take a lot of condensed milk. So this, I pour the condensed milk, and then the next thing that goes in is the cream. Always know, cream is a bit thicker than the milk, so the cream goes in. So this is what goes. You can measure it, but I just want to make it simple for you. You don't have to measure. You can use you can gauge it, or you can measure it. I know it, so I know what I'm doing. This is like 2 spoonfuls of vanilla essence. It goes in, and this is what happens. Now, like I said, if you don't have this machine, it's okay. You can just use the spoon to mix it. Take your time. If it's going to take you 5 minutes to mix it well, please do. If not, just put it under your machine and then it's faster. So then the machine is going to help us to whisk it, or it's going to help us to mix it well. Like I said, if you don't... Alright, so as you can see, we give it a whisk for like 3 minutes and it's done. Now the milk, the cream, they have varieties. They have the thicker one, like it's really thick. Give it a whisk, or just, you know, mix it thoroughly, and then you put it in the fridge for 8 hours. You can even leave it overnight and your ice cream is made. So now this is my bowl. You can use any bowl that you want. It can be plastic, it can be anything. Any bowl that you feel comfortable with. And this is my ice cream. So I'm going to pour everything here. If you use the full cream, what happens is that it becomes thicker before you even put it in the fridge, like the heavy cream. But when you use the milky one, it's lighter, and then the sugar content becomes a bit less. Now that we are done, we're going to dip it in the fridge. It's going to stay for like 8 hours. We can leave it overnight, and then our beautiful ice cream is made.